Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm filming downstairs on my phone as I can't go upstairs because my husband did a night shift last night and yeah, all my filming equipment and everything is up there, so this is what it's going to be. MAC released a mystery beauty bag a couple of days ago and I love MAC, absolutely love MAC, so I thought, yeah, snap it up. They give you some sneak peeks and you get to see like the outline, a silhouette of all the products, and they mentioned that one of the products would be a lipstick in shade Hug Me. There's 7 items inside, they're all full size, it retails for £45 and it has a value of £159. But one of my lovely followers made me aware that it looked very similar to the Best of MAC 2023 beauty bag, which retailed for £59 a couple of months ago. I didn't get that, by the way, but I do remember it, but I can't remember exactly what the contents were. So I received this morning and guess what? It's the Best of MAC 2023. Disguised as a mystery bag. Fortunately for me, I didn't get the best of, so I am happy that I went for this. But it's a bit weird, isn't it? A bit strange. If you're interested in this for yourself, it's still available. As always, you'll find information down below in my description, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's go into opening this up then and show you what's inside. The bag is pretty cool. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. Because I'm filming on my phone, everything is back to front. But that says MAC. Everything gets wrapped up in paper. Got a sample here. This is Super Real Serumizer. I love this actually. I love the cream and I love the serum. It is so, so good. I've only ever had like little samples. I might treat myself one day and go for the full size. So first up, we've got an eyeshadow duo. This is really pretty. I love these shades. I love them. If you've got hazel eyes like me and you wear shades like this, it makes your eyes appear more green. But yeah, I love the colour shift. It's really, really pretty. Got an eyeshadow duo. What is this called? Anything in particular? No, eyeshadow times 2. It's that. Next we've got Fix Plus Stay Over. It says facial spray, setting spray, alcohol free, long lasting setting spray. There's 100 mils there. After completing your makeup and with eyes and mouths completely closed, mist face evenly while holding bottle 12 inches away from face. I've had little samples of this. I don't think I've had a full size one, because I've got quite a big setting spray facial mist collection and it'd be there otherwise. I love their setting sprays. They are lovely. It doesn't have a smell, but it feels nice on my face anyway. It's got a setting spray. Next we've got a mascara and this is a MAC Stack. And I love this. I received quite a few of these in advent calendars and beauty boxes. I do have quite a few of them and I'll have to go through them all because there's no point keeping them all, especially now that I got another one. But it's so good. The only negative I would say is that it is a little bit scratchy. When I apply it to my top lashes, if I go too close to the roots, which I want to, it is quite scratchy, but it doesn't put me off. It's a really nice mascara, really, really great. It coats them well, really nice and black. So yeah, definitely recommend it if you've got short, straight, fine lashes like me. Next up, we've got a liquid eyeliner. I think it's a liquid one. This is Brush Stroke 24-hour liner. There. Doing some squiggles on my hand. It's not super pigmented, as in it's not really, really black, you know. Just gives you more of a subtler sort of eye look. So you've got a liquid eyeliner there. Lastly, we've got 2 lipsticks. First up, we've got Hug Me. This is the one that they told us about. So we knew we were getting this one. And I might already have it. It's very similar to the one I'm wearing today. Maybe. I'm actually wearing one of MAC's new lipsticks, MACximal in Cafe Mocha. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's really long lasting. But yeah, it's similar. But yeah, it's more of a satiny finish. But pretty nude colour. And then lastly, I've got one of my favourite MAC lipstick shades. Ruby Woo. Look. Look. So nice. This Lady Danger and Chili will always remain my favourite top 3 shades. So, so pretty. Those are all the items in the mystery bag, or the Best of MAC 2023 bag, whatever you want to call it. It's selling as a mystery bag. It costs £44. It has a value of £159 and it contains 7 full-size items. We've got a setting spray, 2 lipsticks, a lip liner, eyeshadow duo and a mascara. I'm really happy I went for it, but as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for it? Or do you think, nah, I'm not going to bother? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Upstairs next time, where it's nice and quiet and you can't hear my dogs tapping on the floor. Take care. Bye.